Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I'm gonna unbox this quite small, tiny box. And actually, there is a fragile article in this box, and based on this, you can see that it arrived from China. Yes, so I don't know. Happy shopping, and that's it. That's all what I can say about this box. I don't speak Chinese, and I don't read Chinese, so. It's fragile, and let's directly open it. So what I will do first is that I will use this hook here to cut it here and very quickly open it also here with scissors. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then after I open it, I will of course review it. So that's unboxing and review. Oh, look at that. Actually, there is nothing, just this small content here. In this huge box, there is this, yeah? And there is nothing around, no newspaper, like not anything. And normally there is at least some foam or styrofoam, whatever, to fill the space so that it doesn't go like this in the box. And this one, during the transport, I think it went from here like this, and I would be really surprised if this one wouldn't be without any damage. So my expectation now is that it will be somehow damaged, because the way how they packed this content is really incredible. Okay, so here I will just open it like this. So actually there are two layers, so some good signs. Maybe it will not be damaged, because I already can see that there are at least two layers. Maybe it will be okay, who knows. Oh, actually there's a third layer right now, so my beliefs are now that it will be okay. Not beliefs, maybe my hopes are that it will be okay. So now I will be removing the final third layer of this bubble foil, and here we go. So today I will be reviewing this almost real model. Actually, this is for the first time when I see their slogan, "Dreams get almost real." Okay. armodel.com.cn, so it's a Chinese company actually, and there is also this logo here. So this one is licensed by Daimler, and there is probably something like a license number. Okay, so it's here, and there is also this QR code. My expectation is that it would lead to their website. Okay, but enough of empty words. Now let me just open the box and show you what is actually inside. So I just removed the cover, and you already see what is there. So it's a brilliant model. Maybe before I remove it from the box, also let's check it here. Mercedes-Benz and the design of the enclosed product are subject to an intellectual property protection owned by Daimler. Yeah, I already know that. Long exposure to direct sunlight may cause damage. This is 1:43, of course it is. It's quite small, and there are also some other logos here, like Microcar World, I don't know what it is, and sumsmodels.com. I need to visit probably their website. I've never done this, and maybe I would find something else similar and nice. Okay, so look at that. Another Mercedes-Maybach in my collection, but this time it's 1:43 scale. So I already reviewed actually the 1:18 scale from Almost Real, and if you click on that link in the top right corner, you would already see the full unboxing. Yeah, so you can also watch the 1 to 18. But this one is 1 to 43, and actually I was quite curious because this is a limited series and only 1506 were made, and this is number 769, okay? And actually it's a black one. It's quite difficult to find a black one. Yeah, it's not so common. Everybody would sell you like a white one, silver one, whatever they have, but a black one is quite rare. Yeah, so let me just open this and very gently cut this foil. I don't want to damage anything. Okay. So let me just remove this. Okay, now you could see even better. This is a quite nice shiny, how is it called, decal, or I don't know exactly the name tag, maybe a name tag saying Almost Real is the brand, the serial number, and also this Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2016 Obsidian Black. And this is what I mentioned. This one is the black color, and also here it's actually not leather. This is not leather. I think it's some kind of fabric, and you can also see the sewing. Is it real? No, I don't see it from the other side. So there is actually one screw holding the car, and if I show you this, there are also 3 like pins or poles, little poles holding the car in this position. What is quite interesting, and now I will start the reviewing part, is here this very tiny Mercedes-Benz logo on the hood, which is so small but still so precise. This is maybe the reason why I bought this one, because I wanted to see it with my own eyes, that they really paid so much attention. You know, if I compare this one to the 1 to 18 scale, they look exactly the same. Yeah? So it's unbelievable how precise it can be, this 1 to 43 scale. Also the wheels, look at that. It's so nice, so shiny, and it also looks like here it's rubber. Let me just touch it. Yeah, I think it's rubber. Okay, and then here we have again this V12, this badge here, and of course also the Maybach here on the C column. And when we see here in the back, it says S600, again the Mercedes-Benz star, and also here the Maybach. Yeah, maybe here those letters are a little bit not in a line, not exactly, especially this H. Yeah, you see the H is a little bit misaligned, but the rest, yeah, considering how tiny it is, yeah, just look at my finger. My finger is like, I don't know, covering the whole back part. And for example, those small tiny letters, incredible job. So let me also maybe show you the exhausts here, how they are made. It's really a great work here. Yeah. I mean, of course you cannot open anything here, so it's closed chassis, and for example the hood, you can't open it, the door as well, neither the rear door or the trunk, but still it's perfect. And what I also very like so much is the framing, so the chrome frame around the windows. This is very precisely done, and wow, even the sunroof, that's something extraordinary. But I already see one big difference when I compare this one and the 1 to 18 one. So here it's not shaded. I mean, the rear door and the glass, the windows on the 1 to 18 are really so dark and not transparent at all. You don't see anything inside, but here I think it's much better because you can see actually what is inside. And now let's have a look all together. So you see now the interior at least a little bit. So you see all the gauges, clusters, air conditioning, on all the ventilators, the steering wheel. It's amazing. In the back there are some screens. Also the seats are separated, so there is a middle console bit in between. Maybe let me show you also from this side now. Yeah, it's really precise. You see all the sewing on the seats from this angle here. The steering wheel, yeah, it's perfect. What about the side mirrors? I think yes, they are also. Yeah, there's this reflection layer, so it's really, it looks like real. And what else can I say? This is one of the greatest 1-43 models I have ever seen. So also in compared to my other models, I'm collecting 1-43. This is probably the best one. Yeah. So I don't know how they made it. It's so close to reality, so precise. And actually, maybe some people ask me for the price. So this one was like, I don't know, 120 US dollars. I think something like 120 or 130. So not really cheap, but considering how great it is, and maybe it will also gain popularity later, so it will appreciate hopefully during the time, and hopefully in 5 years it will be like $200 at least. I believe that Almost Real is the new auto art, so these models one day will be really expensive, and this is maybe why I also collect them, because you never know when I decide again to sell them. So okay, that's it I think for today. Thank you very much for watching. Now what I will only do is that I will give this car a final rating. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.